Today, I will show you how to set up a jump scare and fake skip effect on OmeTV. First, open your browser and search for a fake skip video clip and a jump scare video clip. Also, search for a jump scare that has its own sound effect with it. Download all these files to your computer. Make sure you remember where you save them. Now search for voicemod on Google. Download voicemod from the official website. When the download is finished, install it by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, open voicemod, but do not change any settings yet. Next, open OBS Studio or any streaming software you use for OmeTV. The process is basically the same in all of them. In OBS, go to the Scenes section and click the plus icon to create a new scene. Name it Jump Scare. Now find your jump scare video clip in your files and drag and drop it into this scene. The clip should now appear in the preview window. Create another new scene. Name this one Fake Skip. Find your fake skip clip and drag and drop it into this scene the same way. Now you should have 3 scenes in OBS: your original webcam scene, the fake skip scene, and the jump scare scene. Go to the Settings menu in OBS. Click on Hotkeys. Here, you will assign a different hotkey to each scene. Choose a key or key combination that is easy for you to press quickly. Assign one for your normal camera scene, one for the fake skip scene, and one for the jump scare scene. Save your settings and close the menu. Now switch to voicemod. In voicemod, open the soundboard section. Drag and drop the jump scare sound effect you downloaded earlier into the soundboard. Click on the sound effect and assign the exact same hotkey you used in OBS for the jump scare scene. This will make the sound play at the same time as the video appears. Everything is now set up. Open OmeTV and start chatting as usual. Keep your fingers ready on your hotkeys. If you want to fake skip the person you are talking to, press the fake skip hotkey. OBS will instantly switch to the fake skip clip. If you want to do the jump scare, press the jump scare hotkey. Your video will switch to the jump scare clip, and the scary sound will play through voicemod at the same time. To return to your normal camera view, press the hotkey you set for your original scene. That is all you need to do to set up a working jump scare and fake skip system on OmeTV. Thanks for watching.